Hello everyone.
Welcome to another simple video in OpenBox Tech channel.
So in this simple video,
I'm going to show you how to use the Bing Image Creator, which is a free platform to create AI art generator. So to use this,
you need to go to the
Google bar and search for the Bing Image Creator, and after searching that,
you will find this image creator from Microsoft Designer. So just click on it.
then you may need to log in with your Microsoft account here.
So just go right and do that.
Just log in with your Microsoft account, and to create an image here, you just have to click on this create button here. Sorry, first you have to put some prompt here.
So for example,
I'm just putting a random word here.
For example, frog in a glass. And just then click create here.
And it will take some few seconds to create this art here.
So it's creating.
And as you can see,
For every generating art, we'll use a token here.
so you got 15 tokens every day. And after that, your illustration will take me longer.
So as you can see, this created the image that I have put the prompter.
So this is the image here. So if I click on it,
So as you can see, this is the image and is look pretty good.
and pretty high resolution here.
So these are all look good to me. And if you want to download this, you just have to click on download here.
And as you can see, it's just downloaded in my computer here. So this is the image here, and it's low,
Very high resolution here.
so this is how you can download it. If I close it here,
And this is the section where you can find.
all your image creation that you have previously made.
So that's it guys. This is how you can easily
Use Bing Image Creator for free. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel
and thank you for watching.
and subscribe for more tutorial like this.